All right, to turn the water off to the whole house, you turn this from the parallel position to the perpendicular position. To bypass the filter, you turn this parallel, that opens this up. You can close this off, close this one off, and now water is bypassing the filter entirely. To turn the filter back on again, to have water go back through the filter again, open these up like that. Open this one up like that. Okay, now water's going through it, and close this one off again. That forces water. Water comes up through here, goes that way, up through that back pipe toward the back behind the filter, goes around that corner there, and then it comes over to here, and it comes from here, goes through the spin down filter. This pulls out big sediment. It's about 200 microns. Then it goes from here over to the 20 micron sediment filter. This is the one that you change the big cartridge on. It's a 20-inch long, 4-inch wide filter. Then it goes over to the KDF media. This is that zinc copper media, and the one that you rinse out manually. From here, it goes to the big activated carbon filter, which also pulls out a lot of chlorine really well. This is the one that this clack valve, you manually switch it from. This is the all the way over here is the filter, and you put it to this position right here. That's the fast rinse position. If you were to open this nozzle, that water would come out. This is how you attach that hose right here and drain it. If you go back up here and go to the, I think that's the backwash position, is all the way over there. And again, it will come out here from the hose bib. So, but we're in filter mode, so we're gonna switch all the way back over to filter. And that means water can run through the tank and keep going on through the pipes. So there's that. We'll back up a little bit. You can see the whole setup. This back over here to the spin down filter. This is the one that if you need to dump pressure, we use this valve right here. Turn it like so, that dumps pressure. When we're all done, put the valve back. So, yep, keep going over there. Come back over this side. We open this door, we'll see this is coming from the carbon filter tank. Follow the arrows, that shows the direction of the water flow, or how it's supposed to flow when you're filtering it normally. Go down here, and when you reset the filter, just make sure that we change that one to being off again, so that we force the water to come from down there, go through the filter, the pipe that runs along the back, and then comes through all the filters in order, and then comes down this pipe, going through this valve being open, comes back up. This valve is open, it goes into the house. Okay, there's that view, the pipe. And over here, we are looking at, in order again, it's coming from the spin down filter, which is 200 microns, down to the sediment filter, which is 20 microns, to the KDF 55 filter, to the activated carbon filter, and then into the house.